Hey guys, this is Aerus Electrolux Epic 5000 SR Upright Vacuum. Note, this vacuum is not mine. I'm servicing it for somebody because the customer said that like when she turned it on one time, like the cord, she said it wouldn't turn on, and she said the cord was not. I think she said something that had to do with the cord right here. You can see it's taped up, but overall, when I plugged it in and turned the switch on, it worked. Surprisingly, yeah. So, maybe it might be an outlet in her house, or I don't know, but I'm still gonna replace the cord. But overall, it works now. But anyways, I could give you a demonstration here. Can you set the camera down? Where is it? Oh yeah, that's all right. All right. So, but anyways, here we go. No, let's see how. Now I'll just keep my hearing protection on. So, but anyways, I'll show you how it sounds. Note, again, this vacuum is not mine. I'm just servicing it for somebody. You probably saw it in the video of me testing the Dirt Devil Power Max Pet Upright versus my Bissell Power Force Helix Turbo Upright. You probably saw in that video, and you were probably wondering, why is that Electrolux up there? So I'll just do a video on it just because I know y'all. Just because to be nice. Alright, so, but anyways, here we go. First to turn on, and then we have the brush roll. Now, you turn the brush roll off for clean and harsh floors. So when you want to clean carpet, turn the brush on. Overall, the suction's pretty powerful, I must say. Yes, and this is a little hose hookup right here, in case you want to hook up the hose that comes with it. This machine is probably from the 90s or so, I think, because this thing looks pretty old, or commercial. Yeah, so, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, subscribe for more.